Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. Imagine this. You type a single sentence and AI instantly creates studio quality music for you with the perfect mood, vibe, and even lyrics if you want. No instruments, no software, no experience. Just an idea turned into music within seconds. Well, that future is officially here because AI music is now live on Artlist, powered by Google's latest Lyria 3 model. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Artlist has introduced a powerful new feature inside its AI toolkit, AI music generation. This means you can now create your own custom music without any music production skills. No need for expensive software. No need to hire composers. Everything is now handled by AI. And here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just basic AI music generation, it's powered by Lyria 3 and even Lyria 3 Pro by Google, which means you can generate full-length, high-quality tracks that are actually usable in real-world projects. So the music you generate is not just for testing or fun, it's commercial-ready and ready to be used in client work, YouTube videos, ads, and more. That's a huge shift for creators. How it works? Alright, let's see how this actually works in real time. The first method is text to music. It's super simple. You just write a prompt describing the type of music you want. For example, create an emotional piano track about memories and nostalgia. And within seconds, the AI generates a completely unique track for you. Now here's where it gets even better. You can choose whether you want instrumental music, full song with vocals, or even custom lyrics in different languages.
Dusty light in the hallway frame.
So even if you're a complete beginner, you can still create professional level music without any struggle. Image to music. Now let's move to one of the most creative features, image to music. Instead of writing a prompt, you can simply upload images, up to 10 images, and the AI analyzes those visuals, the colors, the mood, the lighting, and generates music that matches that exact vibe. So if you upload cinematic nature shots, you'll get epic emotional music. If you upload neon city visuals, you'll get chill or lo-fi vibes. If you upload dreamy aesthetic images, you'll get soft, emotional soundtracks. This is extremely powerful for filmmakers and content creators because now your visuals and music can match perfectly without manual effort. Advanced controls. Now let's talk about control because this is where things get even more professional. Artlist allows you to customize your music in detail. You can set duration from 30 seconds all the way up to 3 minutes. Genre. Choose exactly what style you want. Mood. Define the emotional tone. Tempo. Slow, medium, or fast. Video theme. Based on your content type. And on top of that, there's a powerful feature called Artlist Sound. This feature refines your generated track to match Artlist's professional production quality. So your final output doesn't feel like AI generated. It feels like something created in a real music studio.
The world is waking, light behind me.
Use cases. You can actually use this for YouTube videos, social media content, ads and commercials, documentaries, short films, and even full productions. Basically, anywhere you need custom, high-quality music. So, yeah, AI music on Artlist is a complete game changer for creators. It saves time, reduces cost, and gives you full creative control. If you want unique, high-quality music for your content, this is something you should definitely try. Try it now on Artlist and start creating your own AI music today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.